We're here at HELS of Mercy Light Sales. I'm standing in the back of a 2009 F-150 crew cab. Here we have a black diamond plated toolbox here. We added HELS 24 LED strips. We have 4 strips all the way across. Each strip is roughly a foot long. Cool white. Not only is it lighting up the toolbox, but it's also getting you a little bit of light down here in the bed. It is daylight outside, so we will try to get you a full nighttime video. But once he shuts his lid, the lights go off. Here we have a nice little push button switch. So once the lid is closed, it deactivates the light, and when it opens, they come on. You don't have to have it all the way open. About right here. You got about a 4-inch gap right now, and they come on. Look inside the toolbox. He's also a volunteer firefighter, so this helps at nighttime for him to get his gear out. And that's what the toolbox looks like with the lights off, as well as the bed of the truck. The lights on. We will get a full nighttime video for you so you can actually see this in total darkness. Thank you for watching.